Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about the term marketing research. Lots of people have the difficulties and they really have a kind of a feeling of challenges, in dealing with this term marketing research. Now I tell you, marketing research is not a very difficult term. It's not a difficult technique. It's not a difficult subject also. Why I'm saying this? Because marketing research is actually a kind of introspection only. See, when we talk about introspection, we always look into ourselves. But when we are, talking about looking outside, for some kind of a intricacies of the things, which are taking place around us. So that is called marketing research. So it means it is all about exploring the market, you can also say that when we talk about marketing myopia, that we are just trying to go into the depth, we just try to have a deeper look into whatever marketing strategies we are implementing in our company or in any organization, that needs to be taken from the perspective of marketing myopia. And I tell you, marketing myopia is not possible unless and until you do the marketing research, because marketing research basically makes you a deeper look, it just gives you a deeper look into any particular happening which is there in the organization. Now in the organization, you know very well that lots of you can say ups and downs take place, lots of products are there in the market, demands are there, sometimes demand goes up, sometimes it goes down. So marketing research basically helps you to maintain that demand, because that competition will always be there in the market. So again the company needs to do the marketing research. If you remember, there was a case of the TVS also, where this marketing research was required by them, and they did the marketing research, and then they actually got to increase their sale of the bikes and the vehicles also. So that was the reason marketing research was very much required. So again, this marketing research basically enable us to give a deeper understanding, and it leads to the better understanding of this particular market. So we require marketing research when we want to differentiate. So, for getting the differentiation in the product or in an organization or in any personality also, you need to do research. So research is all about exploring yourself. Now again, when we talk about marketing research, there is a proper, process, through which you can conduct the marketing research. It is not a kind of an informal process. There is a formal process, through which we undertake the marketing research. So marketing research is all about when you try to identify the problem, in any organization or in any product or in any personality, and then you try to give a solution. Now it means it is all about identifying problem and giving certain solution. Now again, between this identifying problem and giving solution, there is again a proper process, proper methods, we can say. I should not say process, rather we can say methods, So there are certain methods through which we actually, try to give the solution. Now what are those methods? There is certain kind of a design, we we give a kind of a format, we give a kind of a methodology through which we try to give you can say, try to explore the problems, intricacies, and then finally we give a solution by doing the analysis. So marketing research, basically you can perform the marketing research in various ways. You can use quantitative methods also, there are certain qualitative methods also. Through these methods you can actually try to give the solution. Now again, marketing research is through this marketing research, lots of companies, they have given a kind of a clear scenario, they have analyzed the scenario also, they have tried to give a kind of a push also in the whole sale of their products, they have tried to innovate also their products, by doing marketing research. There are lots of examples related to this. If you see Honda also, they have also done lots of innovations, through their marketing research. Many companies, Mahindra also, they have always tried to analyze their overall product portfolio, try to give lots of line and brand extension through the marketing research. Because marketing research, they can help you to increase the sales, they can help you to boost the demand, they can help you to increase the market share, they can help you to even do all the analysis, whatever losses you are incurring in the market, that is again the solution can be given by the marketing research. Even I tell you even how to beat the competitors, how to actually cope up with the competition. That is again the solution is given by the marketing research. So you can very well see the broader outlook which this term marketing research can give to any organization. So I would always recommend the students also that they must choose this marketing research. Even the professionals, they have to understand this marketing research when they join any organization, because this is not a difficult subject. This is not a challenging subject. Rather, it becomes very interesting when you are actually following the processes of the marketing research. See, when you have experienced the process of marketing research, then it becomes very easy. It becomes part of your overall, you can say, practice also in the profession. And it is very necessary, because if you really want to succeed in the professional life, you need to actually incorporate, you need to imbibe, the research capabilities in yourself. Because I tell you that subjects, unless and until they are practiced, it cannot be considered that you have actually imbibed the essence of that subject. Because it is not, gathering the certificates. Rather, it is all about imbibing the subject in yourself. You have to understand the intricacies. You have to imbibe the whole essence of the subject. Then only it is called a kind of a practice, which we say that marketing research basically makes your practice better and better in your whole professional life. Thank you so much for watching me, and I will definitely like to improve my channel, keep giving you certain updates on different marketing concepts as I had promised you in my initial sessions. Thank you so much.